Hi guys, this is Mike here at Mac Observer, and today I'll show you how to copy and paste on Mac. The cut, copy, and paste features on Mac are the best examples of efficiency. Using these shortcuts or commands, you can easily copy lengthy paragraphs from one application to another, create duplicate copies of files or folders, or even cut and paste files from one folder to another on Mac. If you're looking to boost your productivity, you should prioritize learning various methods to use the cut, copy, and paste shortcuts on Mac. No matter if you've used Macs all your life or have just moved to Mac OS from Windows, in this video, we'll help you learn various methods of how to cut, copy, and paste on Mac. The easiest and quickest way to copy and paste text is by using Mac keyboard shortcuts. Here's how to copy and paste using keyboard shortcuts on Mac. Select the text you want to copy. Press the Command+C key combination on your Mac's keyboard to copy the text. Now, open the file where you want to paste the text, click the cursor wherever at the desired location, and press the Command+V key combination on your Mac's keyboard to paste the text. If you want to clear the text formatting and paste the text without using its original formatting, press Command+Shift+Option+V key combination. Many people don't prefer using Mac keyboard shortcuts and would rather use the Mac's trackpad to copy and paste text. Also, sometimes due to software bugs or hardware issues, your Mac's keyboard might not be working as intended. In such cases, where you are left with no other option, here's how to copy and paste with a trackpad on a Mac. Select the text you want to copy and Control-click/right-click on your Mac's trackpad. Now select the copy option from the contextual menu. Head to the file where you want to paste this text and place the cursor in the desired location. Now, Control-click/right-click on your Mac's trackpad again and select the paste option from the contextual menu to paste the text. There's no denying that the Mac's trackpad is excellent. However, many of us would still prefer using an external mouse over the trackpad just because it is more convenient. Moreover, the steps to copy and paste with an external mouse connected to a Mac are simple. Read along to learn how to copy and paste with a mouse on Mac. Select the text you want to copy and press the right click on your mouse. Click the copy option from the contextual menu. Head to the file where you want to paste this text and place the cursor in the desired location. Now click on your mouse again and select the paste option from the contextual menu to paste the text. There's a significant difference between copying and pasting text and cutting and pasting text. If you cut text from any text editor, it'll be deleted from there. However, if you copy text from any text editor, it will be intact. So, if you want to copy and delete a line, or many lines for that matter, you must use the cut and paste keyboard shortcut on Mac. Open the text editor from where you want to cut text. Now select the text and press the Command+X key combination on your Mac's keyboard to cut the text. Head to the app where you want to paste the text and place the cursor in the desired location. Now click Command+V key combination on your Mac's keyboard to paste the text. If you want multiple copies of a file or folder, you must use the copy and paste shortcut on Mac. It can help you organize files and folders and keep everything sorted accordingly on your Mac. Do keep in mind that copying and pasting files or folders does not delete the original file and will result in duplicate files. With that said, here's how to copy and paste files and folders on a Mac. Select the file or folder you want to copy. Press the Command+C key combination on your Mac's keyboard to copy the file. Head to the location where you want to paste this file or folder. Press the Command+V key combination on your Mac's keyboard to paste the file. Whenever you copy-paste a file or folder from one location to another, it creates a duplicate file in the destination. However, if you're trying to organize all files and folders on your device, I'm certain you want to avoid duplication issues. In this situation, it is better to move files from one location to another using the cut and paste shortcut. Follow the steps mentioned below to learn how to move a file or folder from one location to another. Mastering the cut, copy, and paste shortcuts on Mac certainly make you more efficient, productive, and can help you get organized. It might take a while to get accustomed to keyboard shortcuts, and you might press the wrong key combinations a couple of times at the beginning. However, once you've mastered these shortcuts, life will be easier in regards to navigating on your Mac. Do let us know if you have any doubts, or if you're aware of any other shortcuts that allow you to cut, copy, and paste on Mac in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe at Mac Observer for more intuitive guides, tips, and Apple news. This is Mike here. See you next time.